For flexible movement in narrow spaces, embrace the ability to not only shuttle but also lift. The Sinoboom VM05EL, VM16EL, vertical mast lift is a compact solution to take you to where you need to be. Flexibility, efficiency and reliability are its synonyms. Maximum lifting height, 6.9 meters. Machine weight, 970 kilograms. Efficient construction. The whole machine is compact and lightweight, suitable for traveling in elevators and narrow spaces, and suited to a variety of workplaces and sensitive surfaces. Rated for indoor and outdoor use, open to a broad range of scenarios. The front-wheel motor drive provides a small turning radius and anti-skid properties, allowing smooth passage through narrow spaces. Saloon-style entry gate for easy access to the working platform. Reliable performance. A pin-type weight sensor ensures accurate load weighing, unaffected by environmental factors. 3-stage hydraulic cylinder drives lifting functions, simplifying the transmission mechanism components by 70%, ensuring long-term reliable lifting. The automatic pothole protection system provides good passability when the mast is lowered. Easy maintenance. The chassis double-door design facilitates easy maintenance of all parts. HMI with widescreen display, enabling intelligent and efficient fault diagnosis and troubleshooting. Maintenance-free AGM battery is standard, reducing total cost of ownership. The core components control system, motor controller, battery and charger are common with Sinoboom scissor lifts, reducing operating costs.